What if I told you the most important hours of your life are happening right now and you are sleeping through them? Not just a minutes, not just a quiet moment. These are the golden hours, the time before the world wakes up, before the noise, the mails, the distractions. These hours are the difference between the life you dream of and the one you are stuck in. Most people don't lose their potential in one big failure. They lose it in small, silent, invisible decisions like hitting a snooze button, scrolling in bed, waking up just in time to survive another day. But here's the scary truth, you are not just wasting mornings, you are wasting entire years of your life. You ever feel the days just blur together? Wake up, check your phone, rush to get ready, try to catch up, and by the time you breathe, it's already dark. And the worst part is that you can't even remember what you did that mattered. You are not lazy, you are not unmotivated, you are just trapped in survival mode, and survival mode kills progress. Most people don't even realize this until they are already burned out. They say things like that, I just need a break, I will get it next week, I am not a morning person. But time doesn't wait for clarity. Here's something that should shake you a little. One bad habit in your morning can cost you your dream. One missed hour, one rushed day, one lazy week. It all stack up and one day you will look back and wonder, how did I waste so much time and not even notice? It's not your fault. It's the system. The world is built to steal your attention, drain your energy and make you feel like you are constantly behind. But here's the breakthrough. You don't need 10 extra hours. You just need to take back the best ones. The ones most people ignore. The golden hours. And let me tell you something. If you waste just 3 golden hours every day, hours where you could be building your health, business, skills or purpose, that's 90 minutes a month, which will be a 1095 hours a year. That's 45 days of your life vanishing every year. For what? For more sleep you don't even enjoy. For an algorithm that feeds you stress before you even stood up. But not anymore. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to get your golden hours back. Not with tricks or motivation, but with 5 powerful rules that will change the way you wake up and the way you live. Now that you know what you have been losing, let's talk about how to take it back. You don't need to be a productivity guru, you don't need to change your entire life overnight, you just need to change how your day begins, because how you start decides everything. So in next few minutes, I am going to share you 5 simple but powerful rules to help you win back your golden hours. These are not the tips or hacks. These are battle-tested habits used by the world's top performers, the ones who don't waste times, who wake up with clarity and quietly build their empires while the rest of the world is still sleeping. Each rule is designed to make your morning peaceful and powerful, give you momentum before the world distracts you, and turn your early hours into a launchpad for everything you want. Stick with me till the end, because your next morning could be the start of your next level. Rule number 1. Break the cycle with intention. Most people wake up when their alarm screams at them. Half asleep, groggy, reactive. That's waking up to survive, not to live. But winning mornings start with waking up by choice. Because when you decide your wake up time as seriously as meeting or deadline, you are sending a powerful message to your brain and soul that I control my day. Think about this. You set your work schedule, your meetings, your appointments. Why not set your wake up time the same way? Because the first hour of your day is the most important meeting you ever attend with yourself. This simple act of waking early by attention rewires your brain for discipline, focus and confidence. It shows your subconscious that you respect your time even before you had a coffee. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Here's how to do it. Pick a realistic, consistent wake up time. Put your alarm across the room so you have to get out of your bed. Visualize the benefits before you sleep. See yourself winning that morning. Your body will fight this new rhythm. It will whisper excuse, just few more minutes. But your future self will thank you for winning that battle. Waking up with intention doesn't just add hours. It reclaims your identity from passive to proactive. Rule number 2. Protect the first hour. The first hour after waking up is like an untouched snow. Whatever step you take, leave permanent marks on the path of your day. But what do most people do? They roll over, unlock their phone and let the world invite their mind before they have even spoke a word. News, notification, TikTok, Instagram. You are not starting the day, you are reacting to it. Let me tell you something powerful. If you check your phone before checking in with yourself, you have already given your power away. That first hour is not about time, it's about mental space, energy, and creative clarity. You need to make that hour a sacred space. No noise, no scrolling, no passive consumption. This is your time to create, not consume. Write, read, think, plan, meditate. Do something that builds you instead of emptying you before the day even begins. Because once your brain is flooded with external input, your focus for the rest of the day is fragmented. And here is the psychological trick. Your mind is the influential and programmable in the first 30 minutes of the day. If you let junk in, junk will guide your decisions, mood, and productivity. So protect that first hour like a wallet. Make it yours, make it pure, make it powerful. Because the world can wait, but your goals can't. Rule number 3. Move your body, still your mind. Golden hours are not just about doing. They are about becoming the person who's ready for the day mentally, physically, emotionally. And nothing activates the alignment better than this simple combo. Move your body, still your mind. Because when you wake up, your body is full of cortisol, the stress hormone. Most people just carry that tension into the day, meals, noise, caffeine, chaos. But when you move your body, even for 5 to 10 minutes, you release energy, you lower stress hormone, and you unlock mental clarity. Motion creates emotion. That emotion, it shapes your whole day. A light workout, a stretch, a walk in silence, no phone, no music, just you and your thoughts. That's when you start to hear yourself again, your real voice, not the world's noise. So sit quietly, breathe oxygen, and let the calm in. If you don't direct your emotions in the morning, the world will hijack them by afternoon. Golden hours are not golden because they are quiet. They are golden because they give you the space to reconnect with your power before you give it away to the busy world. This is the where momentum begins, in the body and in the mind. Rule number 4. Write a micro plan before the world wakes up. You don't need a 50 items to-do list. You need clarity on the 1 to 3 things that truly matter today. Because our mind loves motions, but it fears direction. Most people start there doing everything except what actually matters. And by the 5 am, they are drained, wondering why they feel like they work all the day but got nothing done. That's where your golden hours planning ritual comes in. The key is not to prioritize your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Every morning, take 5 to 10 minutes and ask yourself, what one thing would make today feel successful? What is silently stressing me that I am avoiding? What can I complete today that brings me closer to my goals? This is not journaling, it's a real-time life design. Write it down, don't trust your brain to remember. Clarity comes from confronting the day, not guessing your way through it. And here's the psychological magic. When your brain sees a written intention, it starts organizing resources around that mission. It starts filtering distraction, it sharpens your focus. You begin your day ahead, not behind. This daily habit makes you a leader of your time, not a victim of it. Rule number 5. Every morning remind yourself why. Let's be real, you can wake up early, you can avoid your phone, you can stretch, breathe and plan. But if you don't remember why you are doing all this, you will fall back asleep. Not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, spiritually. This is the final rule and maybe the most important. Reconnect with your why every single morning. When your why is clear, your how becomes easy. Before the world tells you what to care about, before you got lost in notification, deadlines, bills and noise, tell yourself your truth. Ask yourself, why did I want to wake up early? What am I fighting for? Who needs me to win today? Who do I become if I keep showing up like this? This is not a cheesy motivation. This is how you build emotional armor before the day attacks you. Because when your mind knows your purpose, it prioritizes your energy towards it. You will say no to distraction faster, you will endure discomfort longer, and you will show up with the conviction, not confusion. Keep a sticky note by your bed, a journal, a photo, a voice memo, something that whispers back to you that this is who you are, this is why you rise. These are your golden hours, and your why is the fire that keeps them glowing. Let's be honest with yourself for a moment. You are not just losing time, you are trading it every single day for distraction, for comfort, for other people's agendas. And the saddest part is that you don't even realize what you have lost until it's already gone. But today, right now, you know the truth. Your golden hours are not gone. They are just buried under bad habits and unconscious choices. You have just learned 5 rules to take them back. Not just to wake up early, but to wake up to your potential. You now have a choice. You can close the video, scroll to the next, and keep living like yesterday never hurt. Or you can draw a line in your life. Start tomorrow on your own terms. Give your goals the silence, space, and sacred time they deserve. You don't need more time. You need more attention with the time you already have. If this video made you feel something even just once, then like this video. Not for me, but as a commitment to yourself, to your future. And if you want to keep rising, subscribe now because next part of this video is coming soon. How to get your golden hours back part 2, in which I will show you exactly how to take your golden hours back from distractions. Until then, wake up with purpose, protect your peace, and remember, the life you want is built during the hours nobody is watching you.